Na kabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Chairman ka Meghalaya State Planning Board ba Metbah lingdo ulalit banjngo khmih bnya ya ka Umshyrpi bridge ka badon ha ka surok ka bapnya so iki benta pedeng ka sor shillong. Menta kasni kane ka jingjngo jong chairman kalong hadin babun ki pat ba kilapan pau ya ka jing ha ka let kawan ka jongki lingba kane ka jaka bad ka jingma ka bala ban mi na ka benta ka jingya kali ka bakham bun sngi ha gani ka jingjngo ladon langki engineer na PWD roads ki officer ka municipal but ki nongtrei sarkar badai pen ya ki kamshna surak uba Metbah ula shimjingtim na ki engineer halor ka jinglong jiman jong ka bridge khamtam halor ka jing bami na ka jingbun ki kali bajuyat badru ya ka jingdon kam ban pinbha ya ka jingtrei ya jongka uba Metbah ulo ong ba ka Umshyrpi bridge kadi ka wayna ki Jingkieng ka bakongsan hasilong namar ka penyaso ya ki jaka ba khmih kum kalat umkra dan keti laban bat polis bazar ka jingdan jongani ka bridge kalong ka bakraw bha ban pinsuk ya kalit kawan balada Umshyrpi ka jingpin bha kanwan ra jing ka bakraw ha kisngi banwan lo ong chairman ula kenturu ya katnat badai pet ban pelong no ya ka jingpin kre ya ka detail project report DPR na kabenta ban pinbha la ne ban shna thamai la da don kam khnang ba ko Umshyrpi bridge kan long ka basngan bat bala ban kit e ka jingbon jong ka kali ha kini kisnem ha kini ka jingya kren ki engineer ka PWD la pentip ru bala don ka jingkre ban pindon kam da ki core technology ban tes ya ka jingkhan jong ka bridge bat ban bishar ya ka rukam kit jingkit jongka kilo ong ru ba ka jingya ram ka planning board kan long ka bakongsan ban shemiki rai ha ka benta jongka uba Metbah lingdo ulapan pau ke jingkular baka planning board kan pinsngo ha ke sarkar jilla ban bu kendon kerpang na ka benta kini ke Jingkieng kumshi benta ban kentiu ya ke surak bar ke jingdon jing hasor shillo
The defect of the wall of the bridge is not connected to the bridge. That is separate wall altogether. So I've got nothing to say as far as that retaining wall in the bridge. Technically I don't know, but other things are all in line, except one wall which is not connected to the bridge. That is has to be dismantled.
Any ideas of when are they likely going to fix the bridge?
See, few hurdles which we have stressed today. I think in 2 months' time everything will be okay. And the date of completion is set as December 2025. We have asked them to submit a schedule of completion of the progress of work. And I believe if they're really on the job, I think they should be able to do it. They should be able to. They have assured also that it will be done. So we have stressed on this that come what may it has to be done because it has created hurdles to the people of this area on a daily basis. Every day morning I'll see if you see. Today, fortunately, I think, but even that traffic is still there facing, especially in the morning and in the evening.